Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype. To know how to fix, sorry, how to fix or how to solve your Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. In the end, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.